Welcome back. In today's episode, we take a look at the Hoi An Boutique Resort, located in Hoi An, Vietnam. This is a hotel that I would say would be pretty easy to overlook, but you really shouldn't because it provided probably some of the best value that I received while visiting Vietnam. Stick around and we'll show you why. You see right here, you got a nice little lobby and a really good staff, I would say, at this hotel, and that's really one of the reasons that this place stands out. From the early check-in process to when I left, everyone was just wonderful. The room is a little bit on the small side. You're going to see that. The bathroom actually isn't bad. You got a nice rain shower head there. And across from it, we'll see that you have the toilet with the bum gun. It is a little tight in here, but you actually have a pretty nice sink area. Ooh, gross. They put some old fat guy in the mirror. We'll have to talk to him about that. You can see right here, plenty of counter space, which isn't bad at all. And this bathroom does have a full-size tub. Like this hotel, they pack a lot into a small space and provide a lot of functionality. And you can see right here with the area with the bed. If you were stuck in the room for a long period of time, I think you could probably be, claustrophobic. But the honest to God truth is, if you're visiting Hoi An, you're going to be out and about doing things, going on tours, walking around the streets and the markets. You're not going to be spending a lot of time in your hotel room. You can see here we have the little desk. You do have a lot going on there. You got your tea and your coffee set up on the desk as well. I was able to do a little editing in there, so I guess I can't complain. The desk did serve its purpose. And you have a nice little fridge here and a couple of sodas and beers there for the minibar, if you don't feel like making it out to the store. Of course, in the closet we have a safe, and the laundry list will be located in here, as well as a scale. I like when they put a scale in the room. And look at that funky colored robe. Can't complain about that. I think I need to go wear that and run around a little bit. Out on the balcony, you got the little table and chairs, and a great view down to the street. You'll see that this is a nice little area. One of the things I really liked about this hotel is it's close enough to all the action, but it's a couple blocks away, which means you don't have to deal with all the noise in the evenings. It's a pretty nice compromise there as far as location. As you can see, we have the drying rack for your laundry. There's also a lot of cheaper laundry services available in that area. The gym is small, there's no doubt about it. Even with the reflection in the glass, you can see it is a smaller size room. There are some machines in here to get a little workout. Though honestly, like I said, probably your best workout will be taking your walk around town and doing the market thing. But if you need to jump on the exercise bike or do the treadmill, they did have some free weights there in the back as well, but it was small. The pool, on the other hand, is actually a nice little area here, and I love how they have this courtyard in the middle of the hotel, because basically all the amenities are here in this one little area. You have a nice pool with plenty of seating. The gym we just looked at is on the back side of this. Here's the spa. This is right there, the same area. I used the spa twice. They had a buy one get one free deal, and the masseuse was excellent. So definitely would recommend using their services. I never came down here for happy hour, but it looked like they had a pretty good deal on the happy hour drinks. And you can see right there, if you're into soccer, you can go watch your match. And nice, comfortable space. Once again, right there in that little area around the pool. So everything's centrally located, really nice. And like I said, every area of the hotel, the staff was just outstanding. That's really what stood out to me during this stay. Over here, we're going to see around the corner, they do have a restaurant. I didn't come in here in the evening, but I can assure you that the food at breakfast was actually excellent. Once again, it's one of those things where they pack a lot of punch into a smaller area. So here's the garden. This is behind the restaurant. We spoke to the manager and she said they're actually expanding this. But this was a nice little area outside. You can see they had some shade, which is nice when you're in Vietnam because it's always warm. Here's the breakfast. Tons of selections, as you can see, and they do all kinds. So we have the waffles, and you can get your custom-made eggs. They do the noodle bar right there in that same location, and change out the hot dishes on a daily basis. You'll get a variety there if you're staying multiple days like we did. And right here you can see this was really nice. Like, I'm not against the coffee machines, but they had just tons of pots of nice coffee. It was always hot. You didn't have to wait on a machine. I really appreciated that. As you can see, plenty of pastries every day, croissants and your danishes. There's the cereal for my friend Linnell. They put the cereal out there. Fresh assortment of fruit as well. I'm going to wrap up this video and let you meet a member of the staff, and then we'll take a walk down to a little deli that I really enjoyed, and I would highly recommend the food down there at the Dingo Deli. Nong has been very kind and been giving us great information about the local area.
Hi.
That's right, and we'll throw you in there when we do the hotel review, because I love talking to the staff and I appreciate good people. So thank you very much.
Thank you so much.
All right.
Have a great job as a Hadana. Thank you so much.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
Bye bye.
Thanks for watching. Make sure to click like, subscribe, and smash that notification bell. Until next time, farewell.